Hello everyone. I want to show you today how to do a do-it-yourself lymphatic massage. This is very helpful to relieve stress, tension, but most importantly, it also helps clear your head of congestion and sinus pressure. Step 1. In a nice seated position, or you can be standing, I want you to place your ring fingers on the notch where your clavicle meets your breastbone. Then you're going to slide them up until you reach soft tissue. Using light pressure, just enough to move the skin without pressing deeply. You're going to press in and down towards the collarbone. I want you to do this at a rate about 1 movement per second. Repeating this about 50 times. So in step 2, I want you to place your hands in the top of your palms on the sides of your neck, with your pinkies at a 45-degree angle under your ears. Now pull down at a 45-degree angle towards your collarbone. Repeat this 50 times. This is amazing relaxation, mindfulness practice, and just self-care for yourself. I wish you luck in doing this and a relaxing, mindful experience.